Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas. I am coming to you from my makeup vanity. I finally got one. I've always wanted one. Never had one before, and I'm very excited. And what agenda for today? I don't know. I was editing the vlog from yesterday this morning because I edited. Is it even recording? Okay, it is. So anyway, I made it much shorter than it was. Like, I think, what was it like? I think I condensed it down to like 15 minutes. I was like, I just can't, but I still want to put it up because this has been part of the reason why you guys have not seen my Vlogmas videos this year, is because I've been having issues with that software editing and stuff. And then I'm like, should I even put the vlog up now? Because by the time I resolve the issue, it's like the next day, and then I vlog all day and edit at night, and then the next day something would happen. So I was just like, this doesn't make sense here. Like, what are you doing? Like, get it together. Just get another editing software. It makes more sense. But I was like, but this one was free. Let me at least try to make it work. And I've been using that software for years now, and it just, why are you doing this to yourself, TIARA? So I was like, okay, well, I just realized I don't even have the light on. That was part of why I got this mirror. Whoa. Let me see what the different lights look like. So there's this one. I guess this is like, and then what's this one? This one's, ooh, okay. And then is there another one? So it looks like there's a white. There's a cool white. There's this warmer tone here. I kind of like this one the most, so we'll work with that. Don't know where to put you guys. I should be more festive. Like, I was upset with, like, let me light a candle or do something. It's been a crazy morning. Is it gonna work? Yeah, there we go. Crystal Flora, I think I got this. Are you going to light? Like, what's going on? What the heck is going on here? What? This is ridiculous. What in the world? Okay. And now you light. Why is this taking so long? There. Anyway, I wanted to bring you guys up here because I know I'll be doing my makeup here instead of downstairs or in the bathroom. Like, I really wanted to stop doing my makeup in the bathroom because I always end up having makeup products everywhere and it's taking up the entire, like, counter space, and I just don't like the way that looks. So I'm like, well, the only way for that to stop is for me to stop doing makeup there, right? And to be more organized. That's my goal with this vanity. Use it. To actually use it. That's my goal. Like, my vlogs are literally whatever I am doing that day. I know this is probably annoying, me making this noise, and I really should have brought, you know what, I don't even know what, don't know my agenda for today. I'm going grocery shopping, and I'm not even, like, late for anything. I don't know why I'm rushing. I think the real reason is because I want to go to the store and get there before, like, it gets packed. I hate being in there when it's packed for obvious reasons. Did I have to put makeup on this morning? No, but I feel like I am more productive during the day when I put makeup on. I just be like, oh, I don't want to waste. Be right back. All right, so I don't even know why I tell you guys I'll be right back. You know I'm gonna be right back because you know that the vlog is not over and I didn't end it, so of course I'm gonna be right back. I got it a little too wet. So anyways, aside from going grocery shopping, I know there's a couple things I wanted to definitely clean. I have some stuff that I ordered from Amazon that I need to, you know, like, break down the boxes and put together what I ordered. Is it even, like, tell me this, when you're watching vlogs, because I watch a lot of vlogs about a lot of vloggers, and is it interesting for you guys when the vlogger is saying, oh, blah blah blah, this is what I'm going to do today? Or do you like it better for them to just show you whatever they're going to do and that's it? Like, I mean, like, don't actually be like, oh, here's a list of what I got planned for this vlog. I mean, like, I guess it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. I don't know. I watch both. I was just curious what you guys do. Oh, what are your plans for Christmas, though? I think that's... Let me do this first. Sorry. I know you guys are probably like, you wear a ton of... I don't know. Does this look like a lot? I don't feel like it does. I'm still working on trying to find the everyday makeup look for myself. Oh, I haven't been wearing makeup as often since we've been in quarantine. But I still don't have, like, my set go-to makeup look. My everyday makeup look. And I don't know why. Because it's not like I just started wearing makeup, like, last year or something. It's just that I want to learn how to do, I want a go-to look, and then I also want to learn how to do different different makeup looks that's not using anything shimmery, anything pink, because those are like my go-to: shimmer, pink, or some shade of pink. Like that would include like, you know, like burgundy or maroon or some other color that's in that realm. I think I left it downstairs. I did. Come back. Made it. If you watched the vlog yesterday, then you know that I went to Target, did some Christmas shopping, and these are some of the makeup products that I bought that I want to try out. Also, I don't even know if it shows, but in case you're wondering why my bed is, well, there's nothing on my bed. I took everything off to wash. I love the way a white comforter and everything looks, but man, I think I'm gonna have to switch to something darker. Just the maintenance and keeping it looking white, a lot of maintenance. And then you have to keep buying new. It's just a lot. Ooh, I got another question for you guys. What are some Christmas movies? Do you have any recommendations? Because I love watching Christmas movies, and so does my immediate family, actually. I feel like this angle's weird. I feel like you guys, I should probably move you like over here or something. I mean, it's not the worst angle, right? It's not like you guys can't see me at all, because you can. I don't know why I didn't do my eye makeup first. I'm trying to get in the habit of doing that, because a lot of times, especially since I've been trying out new makeup, I'll have this issue that I run into where I did have to do a fallout, and I am not experienced enough to know what to do in that situation. Oh, this is the e.l.f. eyeshadow that I showed you guys yesterday. Like, I don't think you can see it from this angle, but also, and I don't imagine this would definitely happen, but I'm going to say it anyway, like, I'm not a beauty guru. I'm just doing what I think looks nice. And, oh, that is hella, whoa. Whoa. I didn't know it was that glitter. Oh my gosh, it's like ultra glitter. I'm so sorry, guys. That caught me off guard. Get it together. Let me not. Like, that was like, I thought it was just gonna be a little bit of shimmer, because that's what it looks like, but man. Okay. I see you, e.l.f. I kind of like it. This duo thing was only like $5. Wow. It's not that I don't like shimmers that you got. Clearly, I like shimmer, but when I bought this, you couldn't really see it too well in the package. It doesn't look bad, but it definitely it's definitely a lot more shimmer than I expected. I'm a little scared to use this highlighter. This is also one that I bought yesterday, instead of using the one that I usually use, which is not that bright, I guess. So anyway, the one that I usually use is not that bright, and I wanted a little bit more brightness, but not gleaming gold, but just, I don't know. I just wanted to try something else, because I'm like, well, mine isn't that bright, and it's like you could barely even see it. Oh crap, should I swatch? Did I do this right? Is this swatching? Can you even see it? No? Hold on, I don't know what I'm doing with the swatch thing. How about this? I think, is that good? No? Kind of looks like an ash mark. Oh, I'm supposed to do this? Am I supposed to do this? Is this right? Yeah? No? Yeah? Also, don't mind my nails, because I was wearing some green, what? This looks so weird. This can't be right. How do you swatch? Do you just, I don't know. But I'm not a beauty guru, right? So I am scared. I'm gonna get my brush all ready, and I'm going for it. Commit. Shit, I'm nervous. Okay. Okay. Do I, ooh. I'm not dipping again. Let me see. Oh. All right, well, you know what? I said I wanted it to show, and it's showing. Ooh, what do I do? What do I do? How do I make it, like, look at this. Like, it's there. It's very clearly there. Do I still use the same brush? Do I use, like, I don't know what to do to blend it. Okay. Okay. Just calm down, Tiara. Let me just, okay, I'm putting that away. Don't need no more of that. Oh, wait. I forgot. Aren't you supposed to do, like, boop? Oh. Don't mind me and my limited skills. Very limited. Guys, I messed up, but I'm committing. I'm gonna try to blend it out because it looks very odd. Maybe I should put some powder, and I'm just gonna use like my all over face brush and see if I can try to blend it out at least a little bit. If I put powder on it, it's gonna like cover it up. No, what do I do? I just want to get it like at least blend it at least a little bit. Is this working? Let's see. No, not on the on the camera. It looks worse. Worse. That's so funny. It's funny because it doesn't look as bad in person, but man, this camera highlights everything. I know you could see it, but I think, which is what I wanted. I wanted you to be able to really see it. It's not, I actually am not mad at it. Now I know when I use it, less is more. And I think I did okay. Not bad. You can still see it. It's not as overwhelming. Hold on, let me get this spot real quick. I probably shouldn't even go that high with it. I just thought that was the thing to do. Ha ha ha. Okay, okay. And I kind of just booped my nose and not trying to have the shine, but not so overwhelming. But this is with the blend, and I think, can you see it? On the camera, you can't even see it anymore. That's interesting. How's it look? I don't really know. Like, I see people put it on their nose a lot. This is a newbie thing, okay? I'm new. I don't know, but I'm trying something different because I want to try different makeup looks. Did I not mention this in the beginning? I kind of booped my nose. And I see some people like put it here. Oh my gosh, is that right? I don't know. And I also see like along here, but you know what? I think I'm good. Okay. Next new product. Also, I don't know if you could tell on camera, I'll put some, I was wearing green eyeshadow. What? No. I was wearing green nail polish yesterday. And even though I put like 3 coats of base, 3 coats of base polish, 3 base coats. You could still, like when I took the polish off using polish remover, you could still see the green a little bit. I'm like, you know, I'm not feeling that. I don't like that at all. Oh yeah, this is a new, I've never tried this mascara, this bodybuilding Black Radiance mascara. So let's see. I wanted something, I have really thin lashes, as I mentioned in yesterday's vlog, and I wanted something for volume, and I want to see if this gives me the look. Okay, not bad. I think I'll put on another coat, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I probably, how long have I been doing my makeup? Oh, oh my gosh, I didn't realize I've been in here that long. Ah! Like, oh boy. Dry. Okay. Jesus, I like stabbed myself in the eye. See, this is why I rarely wear makeup. No, I'm just kidding. I like makeup. I just try things. See if I like it, and then if I like it, then I'm like, okay, cool. If I don't like it, and if I try and I'm like, you know what? I just got mascara on my eyeshadow. Alright guys, just a little bit on my eyeshadow. So I'm going to clean that off and then I'll show you guys a comparison before with nothing on and after putting some on. So, sitting here that long, you guys are probably like, can you please get on with your day? We didn't come here to watch you just put on makeup. Okay, so I'm contemplating if I should do another coat or not. Okay, so I was waiting for it to dry. It's dry now. Maybe I should get close and personal. This is with nothing. This is with something. Probably did that so wrong, you know? Like, again, y'all know, I'm not gonna repeat myself, but y'all know what it is. I mean, after I'm done with this, I'm just gonna spray some setting spray, get dressed, and go to the store. I'll see you guys then. Oh yeah, I forgot. Highly recommend this Crystal Flora candle from Target. Smells great. Really enjoyed it. I'm glad that I look. I'm just a mess today. Highly recommend the Crystal Flora candle from Target. That's it. See you guys in like 2 seconds. All I see are, there's these green ones. I mean, they're kind of turquoise, but I was looking for a blush, but this looks like all they have here. I might have to check Amazon. Go with these guys. I also was hoping that they had something to hook multiple hangers on. Ones that hang all the way down. It's like a strip that hangs down, but I don't see any of those. Like, so far, this has been a fail. Hopefully, what's this? Nope. Hopefully, yeah, no, that's not what I want. I think that's it for over here. Now for the food. Hi guys, I completely forgot to come back and end the vlog, so I'm ending it now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with a new vlog, so don't miss out, and bye.